Hey, how's it going? Alrighty, so today we're gonna go over how to draw Mikey from Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. Let's get started, okay? It's gonna be easy, simple for beginners, so follow along with me. Curve here around the top left side of the head, and I'm gonna pull a straight line across, curve down for this side of the head. I'm gonna pull outward. That's something that's very important, outward. So I'm gonna pull outward here. See, it's gonna get a bit wider as it goes down. Curve around here. Curve around here for kind of the bottom. And it's gonna go a little bit downward right here to a point. Up here. So you got these 5 angles, 5 points, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Sorry about the last week, by the way. I've been missing because I was on vacation. I just couldn't get anything done. I was on vacation. Sorry about that. It was a wedding I was at. Curve down right here for the mask, for Mikey's mask. Up over here, Michelangelo's mask. Curve. He has a pretty big snout area. Line. Curve underneath here. Curve underneath here. Upward over here. Over here. Down. Kind of like a gravestone shape a little bit for the eye. Okay. And we're going to pull up over here. Up over here. Okay. And curve over like an arch over here at the top, for the top of that eye. So far, so good. Okay? If you're with me and you're cool with this, absolutely hit the subscribe, click a like, click the bell notification when you subscribe as well. Post a video every single day normally, but, you know, like I said, this week was a little bit different. But absolutely. Curve underneath. Out over here. Out over here for the edge of the mouth. Okay. And line here for a little bit of an open mouth. Curve underneath, up. Now we're gonna see one row of teeth. Right there. One row of teeth. Line downward. Every now and then you just draw another line down. Over here in the edge as well. On the right and left side, I'm going to fill those in right there, and then fill it in on this side to make it look like you're looking deep into the mouth, right? It's going to help that a lot. All right. He has braces in Mutant Mayhem and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. Line right there, like a square inside the square. So you have that, and right here on at this angle, it's going to look like, you know, little U shapes. It's kind of, you know, place them on each little shape. By the way, all this stuff, you don't have to be exact. It's cool if you're just with me and you get it close enough. That's kind of what I want. Close enough. It needs to be the impression of it. We're not doing like a one-to-one, right? And then right over here, try to connect. We're draw a little thin line between those. Little thin line. Just kind of connecting them throughout to make it look more like, you know, braces. Alrighty. So far, so good. Gonna go over here now. Circle for one eye over here on the other side. Circle on this side. He's looking down. Highlight over here. Highlight over here. And fill that dot of the eye right there. And over here, fill in this dot of the eye over here on this side. Alright. Let's go to the top of the mask, which is something I haven't done yet. So right here I'm going to put maybe a dot there, just kind of find, and I'm going to have this dot travel over here on this side. Like so. Go over here on this side, do the exact same thing. Right on. Let's go over here and draw the kind of knot on the back of that mask. Line over here. Over here, down. Over here, down. Up. And down here. Like so. Line, line. For kind of the folding of the cloth of that mask. That's really important. Gonna go over here on this side. Line, line. Make them thin because these are detail lines. That's kind of what we're doing here. Detail lines. Every Ninja Turtle in Mutant Mayhem has a very distinct personality. That's why I really like the movie. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Line underneath right there as well. You're kind of, what you're doing is you're anchoring the feature to the face, especially something like the eye. It just kind of anchors it in there. It kind of holds it in place. Down, down. Line over here, line over here. Line, line. For little nick marks on the face. That gives it that extra added detail that you want. These are additional details, and like I said, they're always thinner. They're not the primary thing. The primary thing is the lines around the face and so on, but never, you know, these thin lines right there. If it is, it's going to be creating too much focus. Unless it's in the story, unless he fell and, you know, is in the dirt or something like that. And we're going to go over here and we're going to draw a thick line on the outside of the shape, just on the outside, to give it that, it looks like a what do you call it, looks like a sticker shape. So pulling across, out over here, down, downward over here, up, curve around, like so. Line, like there. Alrighty. And that is Michelangelo. I want you to stick around. By the way, don't forget to check out all the cool stuff in the description. There's a free cute drawing ebook, lots of amazing stuff. Go check out the description if you want to learn more. But the best thing you can do is stay with me and let's draw another one together. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.